This is a seahorse too. And so is this. What is a seahorse? Seahorses do live in the sea, but they aren't horses. They are a kind of fish.
The sea dragon is a species of fish that has mastered the art of camouflage and is only found off the southern coast of Australia around beds of seagrass and on rocky reef habitats. It is a part of the family Syngnathidae, which means that it is related to both pipefishes and seahorses. They kind of look like seahorses, don't they? But they're actually more related to the pipefish. They blend in perfectly with their habitats, which keeps them very safe from predators. However, in exchange for camouflage and protection, they are not very good swimmers at all, and oftentimes just kind of drift in the water like algae.
Scientists believe that this shift is what caused seahorses to diverge from their ancestor, the pygmy pipe horse, eventually emerging as the upright swimmer we know today. That's because swimming upright has two main advantages in grassy environments. The first is increased maneuverability. Swimming upright allows them to move through the blades of grass easier than if they swam horizontally. The second is camouflage.
A seahorse curls its tail around a sea plant or piece of coral.
They will even sway back and forth like plants in the water. Camouflage is their primary defense against predators.
It has a simple hunting technique. It just sits and waits until a shrimp comes by. A seahorse is a very lazy fish. It won't do much unless its prey swims right up to its mouth. And then it sucks in the shrimp like a vacuum cleaner. A seahorse is a slow swimmer. That's why seahorses like hiding in places with dense vegetation. Safely camouflaged by the plants, the seahorses perform a ritual which may take up to 9 hours, the mating dance. This dance goes on until male and female have synchronized their movements. Only then does she let him approach for mating. She gives him the eggs. It will be the male who will carry the embryos. This makes the seahorse a very special fish.
They must feed constantly on small organisms like plankton and shrimp.
After an elaborate courting dance, a mating pair of seahorses will entwine their tails and line up the female's egg duct, called the ovipositor, with the male's brood pouch opening. The female then deposits her eggs into the pouch. Videos of this event have found that the yellow seahorse's pouch stays open for just 6 seconds, making them uniquely efficient at fertilization, since in this incredibly small window, they produce between 100 and 1,000 embryos. And once inside, the brood pouch itself becomes rather extraordinary, functioning similarly to a mammalian placenta by providing oxygen and nutrients to the growing seahorse embryos.